Bro,
what's up, brother?
help me out today?
Yes, sir.
Corn smell. Even when it burns, it smells good. You saw Static Leo's video? It was like, damn, that's a lot of cop cars.
I was down the street and I just hear.
How many cops do you think there were?
30 plus.
Like 30 plus. Yeah, Static Leo, you know how to throw a party, man. Take that off. I need to buy new one. Damn.
Yeah, haircut.
I was just like that until I cut my hair already.
Yeah, I just came and bulldozed me.
I thought they were gonna fix it.
Bro.
I went to the college to get a iced coffee. And I went down a steep hill and I was just like drinking my coffee, enjoying my life. There always gotta be one cup of the day. Put some armor all on it, try to make it look decent enough. Inside, because I went to the beach and I did there's a lot of sand in the back. People hate these wheels, bro. But when they're like shiny clean, they look clean. They look nice.
Make it nice and shiny. You're screaming for a bath.
Yeah.
Poor girl. It's 2 years in the making. Like, I knew what I wanted.
All right, guys. Okay, guys. Well, we're gonna be cleaning Little Blue. Hope you guys like the camera. I'm using his camera right now. So, what do you think we're gonna be doing today, man?
We're just gonna do a normal wash, the 3-bucket method. Use a good soap, use a good quick detailer. We're just gonna vacuum your interior.
I want to like buff it and clean it one of these days, but not right now because the truck is still like. Let's just say I'm still abusing it. Let's put it like that. It's still getting built.
But we're just gonna do a normal wash, use some good products, and just make it nice and shiny. And I'll throw I don't know, like last time we sprayed it, the water just.
We're gonna pull it in here. We're gonna leave it outside.
No, we're gonna wash it outside. And then we're gonna bring it in here and make where the magic happens.
You know, making a bonfire and all that kind of stuff.
I guess the wheels, but we're gonna get everything together. We're gonna get the bucket. We're gonna spray the wheel cleaner.
Okay. Creating our own beach out here. Faster way, right? Creating my own ocean.
A little bit of iced coffee to
Throw a little bit of
give it a shine.
to give it that energy too.
We're gonna use a wheel cleaner. I sell a blue car soap, my very own product, so I'm not gonna go too crazy on the wheels, but because I'm gonna end up using a wheel cleaner. But for the body, I'm going with this is Chemical Guys citrus washing gel. A little bit of citrus, a little bit more stronger soap. No, this is not pH balanced. So with our weather, you kind of want to wash it. Don't let the soap sit. It's just a little bit stronger.
Yeah. You sell everything here. Remember everything he's doing now. He sells.
Everything that I use, I sell it. We're on Telephone side, right next to Hobby Airport. So right now we're gonna clean the rim. I'm throwing in this bucket my own personal soap that I sell in 16 ounces, 32 ounces. I detail soap. There should be let him do one.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
I don't always want to like take it off and turn it on, you know? I mean, like take it off the hole. He has this thing right here.
I got those for sale.
And there we go, foam blasters. You don't have to keep exchanging. Do it. Here you go. Take off the foam blaster. Here we go.
For that tire,
Yeah, I remember.
but it'll have a reaction to your alloy, and you don't want that. So you just gotta scrub. It's called the Easy Detail Brush.
In the back of it. Because I like this because let's just say you want to wash your truck, but you don't want to you're driving and you're like, I want to wash my truck. It's so hot, the rotor and everything's hot, so best just to have one of these because you don't have to deal with all that crap. Damn, but the other wheel is shiny as
We also have these for sale in stock. These are Adam's wheel wash mitts.
scrubbing now. Rubber dub on the little blue. What the hell? Damn, this feels so weird.
That's a lamb wool. You can stick your hand in there. Let me see.
What is this?
Throw your hand in there.
Man, this thing is so soft.
Lamb wool wash mitt.
Yeah?
Lamb wool. Actual lamb.
For real?
Yes, it is.
This thing is so soft. You sell these here or what?
I got those for sale in stock.
2 buckets.
There you go. If I'm not mistaken, don't.
it out. Get it out.
All right, let's grab some towels.
Bro, one day you're gonna have to let me drive your car.
What if it turn on, bro? I'm having issues.
Oh. Whenever I get rich, I'm buying your car. I'm buying your car.
I own a business and I'm still not rich. Look, but please don't touch.
What? Huh? Magician. Bam.
So after washing it, we saw some, looks like it's oil or something.
It's like paw print.
Yeah,
It's not coming off.
Whenever you take cars and trucks to the shop, man, you know, they get beat up.
Literally not coming off. Oh. Damn. One day she'll go back to her glory days. Shiny. Alright. She's sexy, baby.
You want to do a video inside them?
Oh, yeah. There's some that yeah. Just so I can take it off the debris. What is that?
All-purpose cleaner. What this does is to clean the plastics, knock off all the dust, all the sand, and it just gives it a nice clean look.
Yeah,
You
it
have plastic.
smells so good, man. Yeah, but it won't come off when they have to like actually buy some, you know. Oh, this is how you do it?
Well, it's straight on the window, just a little nice.
Jack my better bring it back in one piece, please. It's on the e-brake. Let me see the GoPro. Got them badass brakes too. Si quema gas. Damn, I remember the time where the turbo was on here and it left just like that. Tu pinche madre. Si quema! One wheel! Damn, that looks bad, dog. Everybody be hating on my wheels, picking them up and they're shiny, they look nice.